Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. If you haven't subscribed already, I would love for you to subscribe. What? Wow. If you haven't subscribed already, I would love if you do, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed a small bit of time together. But today is my favorite day of the week. It is Mish Mash Monday. Mish Mash Monday is where I take 2 palettes from my collection that usually probably don't necessarily work together, and I random number generate shades out of them, whether it be 3 shades from each or 5 shades from one and then 1 shade from another palette, just because I really wanted to use that shade. Or like today where I took 3 from each, where I selected just 1 shade from one and then random number generated the other 2 because I really wanted to just use that shade. Today's palettes are the Beauty Bay Wilderness palette, which looks like this, and the Natasha Denona My Dream palette, which looks like this. So if you want to see how I ended up getting this super gorgeous look, then let's get into it. We have wine today, okay? And a glass that is not a wine glass, because I don't have any wine glasses, but we have Moscato, okay? This is where we're at. I had to see my asshole father. It's been a week. I'm also putting on some Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment in Salted Caramel because I'm almost out. Oh my goodness. Okay. Because my lips have been really bad as of late. So I don't know. But hello, welcome to a little series, a little segment I like to call Mish Mash Monday. It is where I take 2 palettes from my collection, I random number generate the shades out of it, whether it be 3 shades from each or 1 shade that I really want to use from one palette and then 5 shades from the other palette. Today's palettes are the Beauty Bay Wilderness palette, just because I love and adore it so much. It looks like this. It's so good. I've had it in my collection for so long and I need to start using it more. And then the Natasha Denona My Dream palette, because I haven't really dug my fingers into it that much. So this shade right here is called Vision. It's the duochrome one in this one, and I really want to use that, so I'm just going to random number generate 2 shades out of this one and then 3 out of this one. So I need to put on my glasses because I can't see shit, okay? So there's 15 shades in this palette right here. Let's put it in. So number 3, that is that shade right there called Serenity. And now the last shade, 2, which is that shade right there called Aspiration. Now there's 20 shades in the Beauty Bay Wilderness palette, so 4, that is that shade right there called Twilight. The next shade, 6, is that shade right there called Forest. And then last but not least, number 9, that is that shade right there called Moss. So I honestly absolutely adore this color story. It looks like this. It is so pretty. I don't know what I'm going to do with that blue yet, but I adore it. So as always, I'm going to prime with my Run Beauty Concealer in Fair 2N and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. I can feel the wine hitting. Uh-oh. Just because some people always say something about my earrings are from Walmart, and any products used and or mentioned in this video will be linked in the description. They are not affiliate links, not that special yet, but they will all be linked and put down there. So I think I'm going to start with this shade right here called Aspiration from the Natasha Denona My Dream palette, and taking that on a rougher 13 and very lightly plopping that into the crease area right here. And then taking my rougher 14 and just blending it out a little. I think I'll take the Twilight shade right here from the Beauty Bay Wilderness palette and put that right under this blue using the Rephr 13 still after I cleaned it off a little, taking just a little bit and then plopping that right into this space here. And then going in with that Rephr 14 again and blending them together. I think after this we're going to go into the greens. I didn't know how to incorporate this blue, to be honest with you. And I honestly feel like I need this brown here to be a tad bit darker. But I don't know. So, you know, why not, right? Why not? We're going to go back in with that aspiration shade. Just plop that in there a little bit more. Smoke it out a little bit. So now that I have that looking like that, I'm going to go in with that Serenity shade from the My Dream palette and taking that on that Rephr 13 brush again. I don't have a lot of good brushes, but don't worry, I ordered some more rougher ones. Yeah, they'll be here on the date that this goes up, I think. But I'm going to be taking that shade, I'm going to be plopping that in the outer corner here, and then dragging that up into the crease here too. Bringing it forward just a little bit. And then again, going in with that Rephr 14 and blending. I think I am going to go in with a little bit more of that Twilight shade and plop it like right in here. There's cat hair everywhere. Holy schmoly. Taking it again on the Rephr 13 because it's my favorite brush. And just popping it here. Almost to sort of smoke it out a little bit. And just because I really lost it up here, so I'm just trying to bring it in somewhere else. So I think I'm going to go in with that Forest shade from the Wilderness palette on a more flatterish brush like this. And plopping it into this area right here. I love how earth tony this like color story is. One of my favorite things about doing Mishmash Monday is just one, this is like, Beauty Bay are like a cheaper brand. They're very good, but they're a more drugstore-esque type price, while Natasha Denona is obviously a very high end. So I love that when I do this, I always end up putting palettes together that I probably wouldn't have thought about putting together in the first place. And then creating looks with them. Like, nobody would have ever thought to put like these two color stories with each other to make a look, you know, like it just, I think that's just one of my favorite things about Mishmash Monday is I always take palettes that are like, I don't think these two would work together, and then I do something with them. So I think I'm going to go in with that shade right there called Moss. There's somebody flying over, wow. And I'm going to be taking it on that same brush after I cleaned it off a little and plopping it into this portion of the eye here. And then just dragging it all the way forward too. So now I think I'm going to go in with that duochrome shade from the My Dream palette, this shade right here called Vision. Taking that on that same brush after I cleaned it off and plopping that into this portion of the eye. And then going in with the Rephr 14 and just blending the edges out a little. I like that. I like it a lot. But you know what? I'm going to go in with a little bit more of the Vision shade just because I want the duochrominess to pop a tad bit more. This is almost a halo eye. It's almost grungy. I don't know. I'm really liking it though. I don't even think I'm going to do like an inner corner highlight as much as I would want. Maybe I'll take a little bit of the duochrome and plop it in here. But I'm going to go do my face real quick because I am running out of sunlight. I'll come back for blush, lip, highlight, under eye, all the goodness. I'll be back. Actually, you know what? Because I need to test something out. Because every time that I do my under eye after I do my face, I always end up with shit everywhere. So we're just going to do it now. So I'm thinking I'm going to go in with that Aspiration shade and plop it right here. Bring it about halfway into the eye here. Okay, and then going in with, I'm thinking the Foresty shade right here. I'm bringing that here and forward. I'm sort of dragging it out this way too. Okay, we're back. That took me a bit, but that's because I got distracted by music. So for blush, I'm going to go in with Unearthly Surrender Valentine's Day box blush palette in with this color right here called Passionate. I don't have much blushes. I just spent a load of money on myself buying stupid things for a self-care package to myself. And then I spent $160 some on Refer brushes, so I need to hold off a little until after I dye my hair because I had to save up for that. And then I think I'm going to get myself the Blend Bunny blush palette or blushes palettes. I don't know. And then just to get highlight over with, we're going in with the Blend Bunny Noctilucent palette. It is dirty. I really don't know what happened to it, but I'm thinking, let me see if I get it to shift. Are we shifting? The green right here, because I do have green up here. Because why not? I need to start putting a dent in all the other ones like I put in the pink. Oof. And for lip, I'm going to go in with a mix of this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Sandstorm, and then this extremely old Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in Violet Frenzy. These are both super old, and I'm pretty sure you can only find them both on Amazon. I don't even know if the Revlon one is even available anymore, but I'm kind of liking this how it is right now. I kind of want to put something in the inner corner though, but I don't know what that would be because I'm kind of feeling like the moss. But I could also put just a tiny bit of the Vision shade in there too. I'll start with the Vision shade, the Duochrome. So this is the final completed look. I absolutely adored it. It is so gorgeous. It is so pretty. It's just so stunning. This shiftiness is just, it's giving me life. I love how these colors just all work together. I think it works so well, even though you really can't necessarily see the blue. It's still extremely pretty. If you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I absolutely appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy these Mishmash Money videos as much as I do. Again, they're just some of my absolute favorite, and it's so much fun to put palettes together that you probably wouldn't put together and do some palette bingos. I absolutely love palette bingos, which is why I do one every Monday. So but I want to remind you of a couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy. And I promise you that it is so much easier to ignore the things that you do not like, the things that you do not understand. Like I said, there's better things to be doing with your time. There's so many places that you could be donating to, especially now in this time. Gaza really needs us. There's so many kids that have in the past since the 7th, and it's disgusting and just utterable. So they really need us right now. So make sure that you're also taking in the best information that you can. There's a lot of propaganda, a lot of bull going around. So just make sure that you're doing the best that way too. And remember to take care of yourself. Again, there's a lot going on, and there's a lot being asked of you from a lot of people, whether it be work, friends, whatever. Remember to not be a people pleaser and to make sure that you're taking care of yourself and doing things for you, because honestly, you're probably the most important. Make sure that you're taking enough water, you're eating, you're taking a nice warm bath or shower, doing a bath bomb or something. Mine was horrible, and it was my first one, and it went horrible, so but if you made it to this point of the video, again, thank you so much for watching. I absolutely appreciate it. I love and adore you. You guys mean the world to me. So make sure that you're doing good, you're being good, you're spreading joy, happiness, kindness, spreading the good words to the world of actual factual information and cariness and all that stuff. And remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your face next time.